Came to me, you pulled me from the deep, my lightning in the dark, set fire to my heart. Never let me go. Come alive, I see with brand new eyes. No, I've never been so sure. Take my hand, let's run into the unknown. This is the beginning. We can start right here. This is the beginning. 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 It starts right here.
Si Denise, siya yung aming eldest daughter, panganay namin.
Makulit.
Makulit, masungit.
Masungit, pero sweet.
Opo. Minsan, napakamainitin ng ulo. Pero sometimes, napaka-sweet naman niya. Loving din siya sa mga kapatid niya. Lagi niya naaalala.
Well, first of all, happy 18th birthday. Welcome to adulthood. So, Ella, I wish you nothing but the best. And if you want to achieve something in life, so be more intentional. You need to be more responsible, especially now that you're 18. And then again, happy 18th birthday. So we're here to support you. We're always behind you, and we love you.
Si Denise Magkaela ay isang batang masungit. Makulit. Pero naman, madaling pakisamahan. Madaling pakibagayan. Si Ate Ella, siya yung kaunahan namin na baby girl. Mabait na si ate. Medyo masungit, pero mabait na si Ate Ella ngayon.
Ladies and gentlemen, please wave your mobile flashlights in the air as we grace and be the light of her path. Iwagayway ang mga phone flashlights sa ere at magsilbing ilaw ng kanyang dadaanan as we welcome for her grand entrance the baby who is turning a lady tonight, taking her very few steps, wearing her regal red gown. Please welcome our debutante, Denise Micaela Del Mundo Mailez.
Maging responsable, unang-una. Tapos, independent. Stay strong. Kailangan matatag siya sa lahat ng bagay.
The days fly by so fast. Dati, palagi tayo mag-aaway. Tapos ngayon, mag-aaway pa rin tayo. Again, happiest birthday, my dear Stella. I hope this day makes you happier than ever. I love you.
Kailangan
Huwag munang magbo-boyfriend.
magtapos muna ng pag-aaral.
This day is all about her and I love her very much.
Digging deeper in my mind. See so much
I love you, Ate Ella.
Happy birthday, Ate Ella! Happy birthday, Ate Ella!
Happy birthday, Ate Ella! We love you!
Ikaw, gusto mo magsalita?
Sige, go! Nasabi mo na eh.